this is nice. This is really nice. Might have to eat the morsel. I don't know what happens if I eat like a stale morsel. Do I get sick? Do I just lose some sanity? Do I lose health? I don't know. I should know these things. I guess I'll have to try it out. So I might have lost hunger? I don't know. Something happened that wasn't good. But I'm okay. I'm alive. So yeah, picking some grass, like a bouse. If I could find some beefaloes around here, that'd be cool. Nope, nothing like that. So, since nighttime is kind of slowly creeping up on me, I guess I should try to make my way back. At least now I know where to find food. I should cut through this unexplored area here, if it's not all water, because then I might find... Oh wow, a log suit. This is cool. So a log suit is pretty much armor and boards, you know. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. I feel like I've said that like 1,000 times already now. This is good stuff. But you know, I just keep getting surprised by all this new content that I haven't seen before. So it's really interesting. Because I loved this game when it first came out, you know, I played just for hours on end. So it's nice to finally get back to this. Oh, look at that, a breezy vest. You know, I don't even have to make myself, I just find it. This actually protects you from winter time. Sure, it's just 16%, but still, it keeps you warm at winter. Which reminds me, I have to make a winterometer or something like that to make sure I know when winter is coming. I wonder if I can mine the skeleton. No. I couldn't mine the skeleton. Okay, so I'm close now. That weird noise. I don't like it. If you're wondering why I'm not just eating all my food right now, it's because I want to cook it, because then you get a lot more. You regain a lot more of your hunger bar and also your health bar. So as you can see, the trees I planted are slowly growing. That's nice. Yeah, I know, I'm dying. But I need wood, otherwise my fire is going out. I don't want that. Okay, let's see. Where were we? Cooking my food. Finally. Things are going my way. I did lose my bed, however. But yeah. I'm gonna have to survive without my bed. Eventually I will grow a new one. Okay, so I'm actually doing kind of good. 100 hunger, 44 health, 134 sanity. I guess I could have some more health, but I'll get there. 50 health. I feel alive again. It's a nice feeling, I'm telling you. Roasted carrots. Yum, yum, yum. Full health. I mean full hunger. Whatever. So, as I was saying, tools. I can now make a shovel. That's kind of neat. And I can also make a chest. So, as you may noticed right there, once you have built a backpack, or you have built your first chest, you don't have to come to a science machine to build them, so you just have to unlock them at the science machine. So it's a cool feature, I guess. I like it a lot because it means that you can kind of stay mobile after you have researched everything. So once I have my shovel, I can head over to the graveyard, which was somewhere here, just north of my camp. You can see because of this mist thing. That means this graveyard. Dig the grave. So look at that, a blue gem. With that blue gem, I think I can make an ice staff. So this is like the best place to be. Graveyards are amazing. Boom, a robot. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm sure it's good. Boom, red gem. This is just amazing. Gears, you know, gears I can make refrigerators with gears. Marbles, I don't know. Wow, that drained a whole lot of... Okay, okay, that was a bad idea. I did not know that. That's a new thing as well. I drained all of my sanity just for the luxury of making a refrigerator, so I'm not sure that was worth it. So I'm gonna head down here, pick some flowers. Just gonna check what's south of here, because now I need flowers again, or you know, backpack. Oh, what's it called? What's that called? The thing you sleep in? I might have called it a backpack earlier, but it's not a backpack. It's a sleeping bag. Did I call it a backpack before? Like, yeah, you can sleep in a backpack. Spiders. Oh, okay, so let's pick some flowers. Regain my sanity. Pick some carrots. Eat the carrots. There's so much new stuff I have to learn. It's annoying, but it's exciting. Because I mess up all the time. I was sure I was gonna die last time, down in that pit. But still, here I am. So that's a bee. Picking the flowers, you can get them. You can pretty much just follow. If you want to find the flowers, just follow a bee, because they found the flowers. So yeah, regaining my sanity once again. Oh, suspicious dirt pile. What's that? Animal track. So I think these are left behind by something called it's a mix between a koala and an elephant. I think they call them a koelephant or something like that. Something stupid. So okay, so I think I can track them like this. I don't know why I want to track them, but yeah, I guess I could, just because it's exciting. But not right now. I have to make sure I'm sane and doing well. Just making sure my health stays up. So I guess I'm like, you know, it doesn't matter if I happen to follow them. They're kind of heading me in the right direction anyways. Tracks left by food, I mean animals. Okay, that sound is coming from hellhounds. That means I want to get back to camp. Oh, crap. So hellhounds are dangerous creatures of the night. And they are closing in, I can tell you. The good thing is I have a spear. Spare. I don't. Okay, gonna build one. Gonna build one. Okay, I need to make a rope. Come on, quick enough. Okay. Gonna fuel this fire with my spear. Okay. Come at me, bro. Come at me. I'm 100% prepared for your evil deeds. I hope. Come on. Do your worst, nature. Yeah, I heard it. They're closing in. They come from the left, from the right, and the north. So, all directions except south. One at a time, easy piece of cake. And the thing you do is you wait for them to go to the monster meat. Shit. Die! Die! Okay. So that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. I made it alright. Add some fuel to the fire. Okay, I need to use a lot of them. So nice. Okay, marbles. Can I cook them? No, I cannot. Can I do something sciencey? I guess not. Put them in here. The robot, blue gem, red gem. I can make a fire staff with that. That's cool. Gold nuggets, ears. So I want to pick up the monster meat. Pick up. And I want to cook it. But I need some wood to make sure my fire doesn't go out. And I'm probably gonna end it here, to be honest. As soon as I have survived nighttime. Because I think it's a good way to mark the end of episode 4. I think it is. Cooked monster meat. That's the best kind of monster meat. So, as you can see, there are a lot of good stuff to build. Structures, wood walls, hay walls, signs, walls, pig house, rabbit hutch, room for one giant rabbit and his weird rabbit stuff. Okay, that's cool. Wooden flooring, that's cool. Cobblestones, build your own road to nowhere. Pan flute. Ice staff. Oh, I can build an ice staff right away. I wonder how I build fire staff. Ham bat. It takes food to make food. Where's the fire staff? Maybe they removed it. Because it was too dangerous. Dangerous. Anyways, that would be nice. Something to soothe the nerves. Do I have 12? I have 10. Anyways, okay, so this marks the end of episode 4. Please feel free to give me some criticism, some creative feedback, or just some plain old rogering. I'm just kidding. Just let me know what you think about this series, because I want to make sure that I do something that you guys are going to enjoy as much as I enjoy playing this game. So you can like and subscribe if you enjoy this. Leave me a comment, or leave us a comment. MIJO Gaming. You can either get in touch with us at our Gmail, which is mijogaming@gmail.com, MIJO Gaming, or facebook.com/mijogaming. You can reach us at Twitter at MIJO Gaming, or just you can send us a bird with a little note attached to its little feet, or something like that. So I will see you next time. where I hope to build up some sort of food supply, and maybe do something better and bigger and cooler. So see you next time. Bye.